Hi friends, this is Brittany from the St. Mary's Library, and today I am going to show you how to create a paper flower. For this activity you will need a hot glue gun, a pen or a pencil, scissors, and you will need to print out our paper flower template. I recommend printing it on a heavier paper like cardstock, but regular white 8x10 paper works as well. Now that we have our supplies ready, you want to go ahead and take your scissors and cut around the black outline of the flower. Now that your flower is cut out, it's time to start rolling it. Take the end of the pen and curl the paper around it. Once you get started with rolling the flower, you can take the pen out and use your fingers to roll it. Once you've finished rolling your flower, you will take your hot glue gun and place glue on the circular area of your flower and press it to the bottom of the rolled part. You want to hold it there for a few seconds so that your glue adheres to the underside of your flower. Once that is completed, you will bend the edges of your flower so that it gives a real-life petal look. And there you have it. You've created your first paper flower.